Again, welcome you all, class 11th, with another topic of animal kingdom, that is tetrapods and the silent feature of the phylum Amphibia. When we talk about the amphibia, they are called amphibia. Amphi means both and bios means life. They live in aquatic and terrestrial habitats and need water for breeding. That's why I call amphibia. Body have head and trunk. Some have tail. Moist skin without scales. Most have two pairs of limb. Tympanum represent ear. Three-chambered heart, two auricle and one ventricles. Poikilotherms, that is also cold-blooded animals, alimentary canal, urinary bladders and reproductive tract open into a cloaca which open to exterior. Respiration is by gills, lungs and skin. Gill is especially present in the larval stage. Sexes are separate, external fertilization takes place, oviparous development is indirect. If we look about the example, that is bufo, toad, rana, frog, hyla, salamander and ichthyophis. These are the few examples. Now we take the another class, that is called reptilia. Reptilia, rapier, yeah, reptum means to creep and crawls. What are the silent feature of? Body is bilateral symmetrical and divide into head, neck, trunk and tail. Limbs are two pairs in some reptile. Limbs get secondarily disappeared. Limbs are pentadactyls with 5 digits. Dry and conified skin, epidermal scales or sutures are present. Snake and lizards shed their scales as skin cast. Traveling mode of locomotion, tympanum represent ear, especially a reptile having three-chambered heart, two auricle, one ventricle, but crocodile having the four-chambered heart. And once again, it is poikilotherm. They are poikilotherm means cold-blooded animals. Well-developed alimentary canal, respiration by lungs, internal fertilization takes place, oviparous development is direct. If we look about the example, turtle, chelons, tortoise, chameleon, alligators, snake, crate, vipers, these are python. These are the few examples of reptiles. Class of vertebrates, that is aviage. When we look about the characteristic feature of aviage, that is also called flying vertebrates. Body is more or less spindle shaped and it divides into 4 regions: head, neck, trunk and tail. Presence of feather and beaks. Forelimbs are modified into wings. The jaw bones do not bear teeth and are prolonged to form beak. Hind limb have scales and are modified for walking, swimming or clasping tree branches. Long, hollow, pneumatic bones. These are the another character. ये hollow pneumatic bones जो होते हैं उसमें क्या करते हैं, जब वो फ्लाइट करता है तो उस समय उसका वेट को रिड्यूस कर देते हैं जिससे वो इजिली एयर में फ्लाइट कर पाए. कई बार आता है व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज ऑफ द होलो बोन्स इन द बर्ड. बर्ड में होलो बोन का क्या एडवांटेज है? बर्ड में होलो बोन का ये एडवांटेज है क्योंकि बोन खोखली होने की वजह से उसका वेट कम हो जाता है जिससे वो इजीली क्या करेगा, फ्लाई कर पाएगा. टिम्पेनम रिप्रेजेंट्स ईयर. हार्ट इज 4 चैम्बर्स. होम्योथर्म्स मीन दैट इज कॉल्ड वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल. मीन वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल का मतलब होता है कि द बॉडी टेम्परेचर रिमेन कॉन्स्टेंट. इनका बॉडी टेम्परेचर क्या रहता है? कॉन्स्टेंट रहता है. डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक हैज एडिशनल चैम्बर, द क्रॉप एंड गिजार्ड. डबल रेस्पिरेशन, air sac connected to lungs. Internal fertilization, oviparous development is direct. These are the few examples: crow, pigeon, that is called columba, parrots, ostrich, peacock, so vulture, all the bird come in that category. Now once again we take the another topic which vertebrate, that is called mammalia. Presence of mammary glands, milk producing glands रहती हैं, skin with hair, skin body is covered with hair, two pair of limbs for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming or flying. External air, pinna is present, heart is four chambered, warm blooded animals, that is called homeotherms. Well developed alimentary canal, dentition is heterodent, thickodent and dipodents. Sexes are separate, internal fertilization takes place. Viviparous, these are viviparous except echidna and platypus. Development is direct. Viviparous का मतलब है give birth by young one. Give birth by young one. उससे पहले जो था आपका एविस था वो ओविपेरस है, मीन वो एग लेइंग एनिमल्स है. These are the example: platypus, kangaroo, marcopus, pteropus, flying fox, macaca, camel, rat, dog, human, elephant, etc. These are the various example of mammalia class.